Many times we hear about how we can look after our ladies and how we can treat our wives, our girlfriends, our women, the women in our lives, how we can look after them and take care of them and treat them well, which is good. I believe in that totally, 150%. But also, it is important to know that men also need to be looked after. There are things you need to do in your relationship, either with your husband or with your boyfriend or with your man or with your partner. Depends on what relationship you have. There are things you must do to make the relationship move smoother. Hi, my name is Christian Levi. Today I want to share with you 7 ways to make your man feel important and needed. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into it. Number 1 is appreciate him. Right, this is a man in your life. Either it could be your husband, it could be your boyfriend, it could be your man, but he's in your life. Just as you would like him to appreciate you, appreciate him. Show him that you care about him. Show him that he is a God sent in your life. It is important that we appreciate what we have. So, as a man in your life, appreciate him. Just show him that you are happy for him to be in your life. And I want to make this clear. Appreciating a man does not mean that you're not saying, I cannot do without you. That's not what it means. That's not what it means. It means to appreciate him. Show gratitude for people in your life. It is important. It makes a man feel needed and important. Number 2 is support him. The man in your life needs support. He needs moral support. He needs emotional support. He needs physical support. He needs support from all angles. Just as you also as a woman need support and you expect your man to support you, right? Which is a good thing. But I also want to encourage you as a woman to support your man, support your husband. Whatever project you guys are doing, whatever plans you have in your relationship, maybe you want to do something and he wants to carry out some of his plans or some of his dreams. Support him. Show him that you are there with him, that you are standing shoulder to shoulder to support him. You're right behind him. Not just a physical support, but encouraging him that we shall get through this, we shall go to it. I will help you. In any way you need to support him. Maybe to write a project if you can, support him. Maybe to file his papers, some document, support him. Maybe email some friends, give him some ideas how you can do it. You may not do it by yourself, but you need to support. By you supporting him, it will encourage him and make him feel more important and also needed. Number 3 is listen to him. Listening, we all want to talk and get our views known to people we are conversing with. But it is important also that we listen to people. Maybe you are having a conversation with your man, with your husband, with your boyfriend, and you need to listen to him. Pay attention to what he's trying to say to you. Just as you would like him to listen to you when you are having a conversation. Give him undivided attention. Give him attention so that he will know that you are listening to him. I don't mean pretend. I mean listen to your man. Listen to your husband. Listen to your boyfriend. That doesn't mean you don't air your view or you don't express your feelings. It's a conversation 2 of you are having. We should all listen to one another. Listen to your man as you're talking. When you listen to anybody, it makes them feel that you are there, you are listening, you are hearing what they're saying. The problem is that a lot of us don't listen. We like to talk, but we don't listen. They like to get their words out. They don't pay attention. Listen to your man. As a good woman you are. It will make him feel important and needed. I want to ask you a favor. If you haven't subscribed to my channel up to this time, I want to ask you to subscribe to this channel. Be a part of this team. Be a part of this family. Support my channel so that when I post new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you for your support, and let's continue. Number 4, show your man, show your husband, show your boyfriend that you really miss him. Maybe he's at work, maybe he traveled, maybe he went on a work training or whatever, or maybe he's just away for a weekend, or maybe he just in town, but he went to work in the morning, or you went to work in the morning. But then it would be nice for you to make a video. We are in the days of technology, right? Make a video of 25, 30, 40, maybe up to 50 seconds. Tell him that you miss him. Tell him that it's important, that you miss him so much. Look, they will feel good. He will feel good. Your man will feel good. He'll feel important. He will feel needed. Try this. Try it. It works. Number 5, trust him. I know sometimes it is difficult to trust people, especially sometimes some people have different way of reasoning, different way of seeing things. Share some secrets with your man, with your boyfriend, with your husband. Let them know some of the things you're planning or some of the things in your life. Share some secret with him. Trust him with some of your secrets. If not all, some of them. You know, when you share your secret, some of the secrets or private things to your man or to your woman or to your boyfriend or to your husband, it makes them feel more closer, and they will begin to think, this person actually is helping me, is drawing me closer. It makes them to understand that you care, that you are part of their life, and it makes a man feel important, and it makes a man feel needed. Share some secrets. Trust him with some secret. It will change the way your relationship is going. Number 6 is to consult him. If you have anything you are planning to do, or maybe you have already figured out what you want to do, it would be a good idea to sit your husband down and during your conversation and tell him that you want to do A, B, C. What is your take? What do you think? How do you see what I want to do? Consult your man, consult your boyfriend, consult your husband in some affairs, in your project, in some of the things you want to do. I know some people will say, of course, automatically it happens that you have to tell your husband or your boyfriend what you're doing. Well, in some cases, it's not always the same. Some people don't always share. Consult your man or their boyfriend in what they want to do. The same way you will feel when your husband, your boyfriend, your man will share something and consult you and ask your idea and how you feel about that. It makes you feel you're part of that person's life. It makes you feel close. It makes you feel important. It makes you feel loved. It makes you feel needed. So you see how beautiful that is. The same way you would want him to consult you, to seek some advice from you, or to seek some ideas from you. Do the same to him. How it makes you feel, that's exactly how it's going to make him feel. It's going to make him feel close. It's going to make him feel needed. It's going to make him feel important in your life. Number 7 and the last, buy him present, no matter how small it is. You know, you can surprise your man or your boyfriend or your husband. Say you went to shopping and you see what he might like, something like body spray or something else. Just get him something. It doesn't have to be expensive. What matters is the heart. Buy him present, maybe in some occasions, maybe like Father's Day, maybe like Christmas season, maybe like Easter season. It may not be occasion, just feel like just something you can do. Buy him a present. It doesn't matter how small it looks. Buy him a present. It makes him feel good. When you come back home, you see, wow, my girlfriend, my wife bought me this. wow, that is so good. It makes me feel good. It makes me feel real good. So I want to encourage you with these few words to tell you that these are things you can do to spice up your relationship. And I want to ask you again to subscribe to my channel. If this video has added value to you, subscribe to my channel, like and share. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.